So first of all, open your ID. If you have a Eclipse, open as run as administrator. If you have a Spring tool suite, just open as a run as administrator. Why I am saying this? Because you will get sometimes error. To avoid that error, you have to run your IDE run as administrator to avoid that error. So let's start the project. Yes, click on the create new Spring start a project. Click on it. Here you will see that name of the project is already mentioned because previously I created that project. That's why it's showing. So what we are doing here in the name section, you just write employee management system backend, type Maven, packaging jar, language Java, and the version you should have more than 17 JDK, 17, 21, 23. Any one of them is enough. If you have a older one, that is, if you have a JDK 8, then you will get sometimes compile time error, but you can create your project in the based on the JDK 8 also. And the group of ID is org.jsp. You can write whatever you want to the ID. I'm just mentioning the group org.jsp. And the artifact ID I mentioned is employee service. You can write anything if you want to employee service 1, 2, 3, whatever you want to write here. And the description, you just write employee management system, service, anything you want to write. This is here. I'm writing employee management system. And the package which I mentioned is org Spring Boot dot employee management system. This that much is already showing that is a Spring Boot org dot Spring Boot, but you have to write one more package where you want to create your project. So that I'm mentioning that employee management system, and after that click on next, and you have to add the dependency what you need to add in your project. So for the database connectivity, we need a MySQL, and for the tools which is used to develop our application, we need a Spring Boot Dev Tools. And we also need a Spring Data JPA for dealing with query and data. And we need a Spring Web for the uh, JSON format. And if you want to run your API in the Chrome, it will run. Also, we need a daemlib for the annotations of the, and also we need Lombok. Lombok is a dependency which is used to uh, write some shortcuts like add the rate constructor, add the rate getters, etc. What they will do, they just don't need to create getters and setters and constructor at all. You just mention the one annotation that is a add the rate constructor. It will work fine. But before it works, you need to install Lombok in your system IDE. So you have to first install the Lombok in your IDE. Then you have to use this dependency. Otherwise, it will not work. And click on next after adding this dependency and finish it. So it's installing now. You can see here it will installing here. So after installing, we'll do something else. Let's complete this. Yeah, it will be created. It will take some time more time. So after completing this project, you can see the structure of our project is SASE main Java, where all the code will be implemented, and inside the SRC main resources, where our database connectivity will be configured. Whatever the configuration you need, you have to write inside the application dot properties. And also we have JRE, where all the dependency and the framework library is there. So if you're not getting this kind of structures in your system, what you need to do, you just click on your project, click on right, and then go to the build path. Okay, then click on right, build path, and configure build path. You will see there This is the thing is selected already. Okay, so you just select all these things, whatever I mention is, and apply it and close it. You will get this kind of structures. So that's all about this video. Next video, we will create the database and also create the our tables in the next video.